Yes, we are live now. Shall I start the questions? Join everyone soon. Once you have joined, come on, give me some message. Okay, without wasting time, what I'll do is I'll start solving the questions. So first question is, now look here, A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. They're asking what is the answer for A plus transpose of A. So A plus transpose of A, if somebody will be asking you, then what is the sufficient answer? Just come on, give the answer. I'm waiting for the students to join as soon as possible. Come on, start solving the question. I'll just move out because today's session will be heavy. We'll just go for it fast. Come on, start doing it. Now look here. What is the answer? Come on, give me the answer as fast as possible. Yes, Sadhna, start solving, beta. Start solving. We are live and we have to solve the questions and revise as fast as possible. Come on, go for it, please. Yeah, all the students will be joining. They join late also, no problem. But we'll start solve question. Come on, go for it, please. Yes, starting the session. Solve the question. Come on. Yeah, they'll be joining. You just inform. Okay, the answer is A. Are you correct? Correct in your approach. Come on, you just type your name so that I'll come to know that which of my students is online right now. Just type your name and inform me. A is equal to cos alpha. You know that A plus transpose of A. Transpose of A means what here? Transpose of A means we will go with this. A is what? A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha and then sin alpha cos alpha. Now transpose of A. What will be the transpose of A? If transpose of A somebody will be asking you, then transpose of A will be cos alpha minus sin alpha. The rows will get converted into column sin alpha and cos alpha. When you will add A plus transpose of A, what you will get is cos alpha plus cos alpha will become 2 cos alpha, here it will become 0, and they have given that equal to identity. Here is equal to identity. So it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Since it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, come on, write down your name and type fast and inform and start solving the question, please. So here 1001 is here. Come on. So here sin and minus sin alpha will become 0, cos alpha will become 2 cos alpha. Come on, see the diagonal elements 2 cos alpha and 1. So directly we will write here 2 cos alpha equal to 1. So cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. So cos alpha is equal to cos pi by 3 because cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So since cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, we can write here alpha equal to pi by 3. So without wasting time, we will just solve and say that cos alpha is equal to pi by 3. The answer is pi by 3. Hi Divya. Come on, join fast and start the session, please, because we have to solve many questions for revisions tomorrow also. Because of my leg problem, leg injury only, I'm unable to do staircases. But one day more, one day more. Just give me one more day. After that, I'll start running. Huh? Come on. Ritesh, good evening. Shiva, good evening. Love to see my children back. Come on, beta, start solving question. I have compiled many questions today for you. Can we start, please? Come on, let's start. We'll go for the next question. The diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix are. Answer the question fast. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are. The diagonal element I have already taught in the class. what is the features of diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix? Come on, tell me. Am I audible clearly? No problem. Kodi, answer the questions, beta. We have very less time. More questions are there because nearly 70 questions I have compiled. So we don't have work, and I just want to start as fast as possible. Come on, go for it. The diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix are all zeros, are all equal to same scalar, can be any number, none of this. So which option is the correct option? Come on, say. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are. Come on, come on, come on, come on, answer the question. The correct answer is the diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix are all zeros. The correct answer is the diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix are all zeros. Come on. That is all zeros. Because we have done now, we have already done this question. Only one person has given me the answer. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are all zero. Very good, Pradeep. We'll go for the next question, please. Ready for the next question? Come on, children, be active. See, if the red button is not on, just go for live and then start the class so that you can get the question at an instant. Okay? Come on, go for this question. I have given the answer here. A and B are symmetric matrix, then AB minus BA is what? A and B are symmetric matrix, then AB minus BA is what? Come on, go for it, children. Go for it. A and B, I have given the answer. You just be very careful for this question. See, they are asking these type of questions only in the examinations. MCQ plus everything. We will be going forward and looking for it. Come on, go for it, beta. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So what is the answer here is if you will go for A, B, so the option is exactly B skew symmetric matrix because see A and B are symmetric matrix. Already A and B are symmetric matrix means what? So A and B are symmetric matrix means कि when you are anybody will be asking you symmetric matrix means you can say that if A and B are symmetric matrix means A can be transpose. Okay, A can be transposed and we will be able to get short of it. Okay, fine. Is it okay for you all? Did you understood this part? So here the direct answer will be coming as, so if A and B, so when we will be talking about one thing, let's check this one out. When we will be talking about one small thing, let's check this one out. This they have given the solution, but let's check this one out. So when we will be writing AB minus BA transpose. You know that the transpose is distributed, we can distribute it. So AB will go for transpose and BA will go for transpose. And transpose of BA is AB transpose is BA and BA transpose is AB. And BA transpose is AB. So here, if you will take out minus, so here it will become, if you take out minus this, it will become BA. So minus if you are taking out means it will become AB minus BA. AB minus BA. And we very well know that if transpose, we very nicely know one thing, transpose equal to minus A. Transpose of a matrix is equal to minus A. I repeat, transpose of a matrix is equal to minus A means it is what type of matrix? It is a skew symmetric matrix. Very clearly, to the point, do the work. It is exactly a skew symmetric matrix. So A matrix transpose of A equal to minus A is 100% a skew symmetric matrix. That's it. Dead shot. Don't do any other work. Understood. So here, when we started with this, we put transpose of it. We are getting minus of AB minus BA. That's a clear-cut indication that it's a skew symmetric matrix. So our option is 4. Our option is 4. So now these questions will come for 2 marks also. Don't be very much like these are MCQ questions only. No, these are not MCQ questions only. They will give you these questions for solving also for 2 marks. So we need to solve it for 2 marks also, so that you will be able to turn up the corner of the table towards yourself at any cost. So come on, go for it. Come on, that was very good, very quick. The answer is B. Okay. Very fast. Yes, we have to find the value of x. So A transpose, I hope all the children are there in the group. A transpose. So when we will do transpose of A, is a skew symmetric matrix. We know the story of skew symmetric matrix. The story of skew symmetric matrix is that skew symmetric matrix is equal to minus A. So skew symmetric matrix is equal to minus A. Since skew symmetric matrix is coming as minus A, since a skew symmetric matrix is equal to minus A, so we will do one word directly we will write. So we will write transpose of this equal to transpose of this is coming as so 0 1 2 minus 1 0 3 x minus 3 0. Transpose part when we will be writing the rows will get converted into column. So 0 1 2 minus 1 0 3 x minus 3 and 0. Come on. So we will be writing that equal to that part. So the answer will be coming as B. Come on. Answer will be coming as what beta? So x will be directly equal to 2. Because after that transpose part we are writing. So this is matrix A. Its transpose is exactly minus part will be there. So I think you should rethink. Minus 2 part is there. Okay. Here minus 2 is there. I did not wrote minus 2. So here minus 2 part will come in this. So answer will be coming as what? Answer will be coming as B, because minus of minus 2 will become 2. So answer is absolutely correct. Let's go for the next one, please. Come on, go for this question. It's a very short question. Come on, go for it and solve this question. 2 marks question. Come on, do for it, because like this transpose skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix questions are coming very oftenly. Now we need to solve some questions which is 2 marks questions. Big questions means indeterminate section, adjoint inverse of a section. They will be asking big questions. Small questions means 1 mark question, 2 marks question. Associative reason very rarely they will be asking. So come on, go for it. Okay, what is your answer? Yes, I can understand that, but that's not the correct answer. 1, 2, 3. We need to solve it now. A into A transpose. When A into A transpose, yes, that's absolutely correct. Now you are going correct. Now, beta A transpose, A is there. A can be written as A is written as 1, 2, 3. Transpose of A will become what? Row will get converted into column. So here it will become 1, 2, 3. So A into A transpose. So transpose of A will become this one. This is transpose of A. So 1 will multiply with 1, it will become 1. 2 will multiply with 2, it will become plus 4. And then 3 will multiply with 3, this will become 9. So total answer will be coming as 14. Total answer will be coming as 14. Yes, absolutely. Satya, one time check beta A into A transpose. When we are doing A into A transpose, yes, Shiva, that's absolutely correct answer. Ranjini, that answer is absolutely correct. That part is correct only. 14 will become the answer. Absolutely correct. 14 answer is true because A into A transpose we are going to do. Children, just understand here. Whatever is A, you have to do transpose of it. Once you are doing transpose of it, you need to multiply both of them because it is A into A transpose. Once you are multiplying, the content is coming as 14. I hope you might have understood. Is it okay? Did you understood? Yes. Then I'll go to the next question because I saw 2, 3 students have done mistake. Yes. Is it okay? Yes, beta. Absolutely correct, Divya. Absolutely correct. If you will type your names, it will be easy for me to communicate with you. See, this is all India 2012 question, very old question, gold question. Now look at transpose of A is equal to given this. Now transpose of A is this one minus transpose of B. Then what could be the answer? Column wise or row wise, you must answer. Column wise or row wise, you must answer. See, come on, check this one out. Now look here. So come on, check this one out. So we will do one thing. Transpose of A is already written. Come on, go for it. Transpose of A is written. That is transpose of A equal to 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 0, 1. What is transpose of B? Minus, we will be just taking for transpose of B. Transpose of B is coming as minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now here, when we will subtract transpose of A and transpose of B, it will come 3 minus of minus 1. So directly it will come as 4. Come on, check the answers. Check the answers and tell me the answers are coming correct or wrong. That is direct. I am just substituting. It is coming as 4 will come. Now 4 minus of 1. So 3 will come. Minus 1 minus because here minus 1 minus of B. So minus of 2 will become minus 3. Then 0 minus of 1 it will become minus 1. 2 minus of 2 will become 0. 1 minus of minus 2 will become minus 2. 1 minus of minus 3 will become minus 2. Yes, absolutely. The correct answer is coming as 4 minus 3 minus 1. Check this one out. 4 minus 3 minus 1, 3, 0 minus 2. Did you got this answer? So we will go for the next question, please. Yeah, correct. Yes, that's a very smart way of writing and typing the answer. Yep, absolutely correct. We'll go for the next one, shall we? We have many questions to deal with. So let's see with our next question. Please kindly go for this question. A and B are symmetric matrix. Show that AB is symmetric if AB is equal to BA. This is a solving question. Come on, go for it. One part I have already written there. Come on, go for this question, please. See, like this type of question coming in exam, then how to solve it? It's a symmetric matrix. So what is the meaning of symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix reverse part also coming means you will be able to solve the question. Come on. Coming, solving. Go for it, please. Will you be able to prove it? See, it's a very simple one. I'm going to do it. Now, first, what we need to do is they have given already AB is equal to BA. Let's check this one out. AB is equal to BA. So, first, what is given to us you is AB is equal to BA. Now, the moment you will put transpose, so if you are putting transpose on AB, is it going to give you BA? Now, it will become B transpose A transpose. Because if it is A and B both are symmetric matrix. So if A and B both are symmetric matrix, then transpose of A will become equal to A. Transpose of A will become equal to A and transpose of B will become equal to B. So here, so since we know that it is a symmetric matrix, so transpose of A, AB transpose is B transpose A transpose, B transpose will become B and A transpose will become A. So symmetric matrix means if we are doing like this transpose of this, we are getting BA. So 100% this is the proof part. Just one small short proof we have done. So what we are getting is we started with AB and we exactly got so B is equal to AB already they have given. Okay. So what is given AB is equal to BA. So what we did is we took AB, we did transpose of it. After doing transpose of it, what we got after doing transpose of it, we got A and BA is nothing but equal to AB as it is given in the question. As it is given in the question, so this is exactly the apt answer. I hope you might have understood. Okay, did you solve? Yeah. Now listen, we'll go for the next question, please. Come on, go for the next question and try and solve this question now. They've already given it to see. This time, skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is very important. Adjoint inverse of a matrix is very important. Recently, they have shifted and they started asking questions related to all these sections. Okay. So when they will be asking questions from you related to this part, you must be mentally ready to solve the questions. Inverse part, adjoint inverse of a matrix related to some topics, they are asking the questions. So what they are asking, we must learn how to deliver the answer. That's our strategy and we have to follow that strategy. Is it okay for you? Come on. Come on, go and solve this question. What is the answer value of A and B? Just type and send me the answer of A and B. Okay, Ritish has given the answer minus 2 comma 3. Okay, minus 2 comma 3. Let's see what is the correct answer. Minus 2 comma 3 it is there or not, because skew symmetric matrix means what, beta? Skew symmetric matrix means like transpose of A will be equal to minus A. Transpose of A will be equal to minus A. One very easy technique I taught you. Do you remember the easy technique? The easy technique I taught you was this one. Rather than that going for a very long extensive question answer, we can solve on this one small technique I taught you. Aij is equal to minus Aji. This technique I taught you, did you remember when I was discussing, I discussed a very important point. I taught a very important section there. I explained a very important point that whenever a skew symmetric matrix will be there, Aij will be equal to minus Aji. So if I will write location wise I'm writing, let's just leave it. Location wise I'm writing. Let's check this one out. So if I will take A12 is equal to minus A21. At A12 A is there and 8 to 1 2 is there. So directly answer again. Why I am going to do transpose? Why I am going to write everything? When I know the specifications of skew symmetric matrix, that the three important slots, it's a square matrix, diagonal elements are 0, and the third property of this one is Aij is equal to minus Aji. So if these things are we are knowing, then if these three things we are knowing, then why we are going to wait for a big extensive question answers? We will just go for it and we will just write the content. So here the next important part is this location, and I think this location is better A31. So this location is A31 equal to minus A13. A31 is B and minus of minus B. So B is equal to 3. Did you got my point, please? So directly we approached and directly we solved. I hope you might have understood skew symmetric matrix. Three important properties. The first important property of skew symmetric matrix is first, all the diagonal elements are 0. Done. Second, it's a square matrix. Third, Aij is equal to minus Aji. So specific element we can pick up and we can find the value. So we need not to hustle anything. We can directly solve without any trouble. There you don't have to sit in examination hall and write like this, that sir, madam, this is the situation, and then picking the element and writing. Direct location, search and find and solve. That's the main strategy. I hope you might have understood. Let's go for the next question, please. Only some children are active. Rest of the all children are sleeping. This is one of the most important question. Again and again, I am telling you, this question must be done. This question must be done. This question must be done. The question is this one. Please kindly go for the question. Show that all the elements on the main diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. This is one of the most important question you must not miss. Kindly go for this question, please. You must not miss this question. This is one of the most important question, children. The question is, show that the elements on the main diagonal element of skew symmetric matrix are 0. So you need to prove that they are 0. How we are going to prove it? It is 0. For any square matrix, we know that if a matrix A will be equal to, we first write here, if a matrix A, how many of you will be able to solve? Come on, just say me, give me a high five that I'll be able to solve this question, because already many times I have discussed this question. Many times I have discussed this question. Give me a high five that okay, I will be able to solve. Or if you are not able to solve, inform, I will be solving this question. We already know this is a skew symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric matrix. Just two line question. Skew symmetric matrix. So if it is a skew symmetric matrix, so whenever it is a skew symmetric matrix means what? Aij will be equal to minus Aji for all I comma j. So already we know that for all rows and column which is a part of square matrix, whenever we will be writing skew symmetric matrix, Aij will be equal to Aji. Aij will be equal to Aji. Very good, super, super. Yeah, that's very smart. Thank you so much, Beta. Thank you so much, Divya. You actually nailed it. You wrote everything there. Very good. Very good. So here we can say I is equal to J. Diagonal element for diagonal element. For diagonal elements, we know that for diagonal elements, AII equal to minus AII. So 2AII equal to 0. So 2AII equal to 0 means you can write AJJ also. So here, this diagonal element AI is representing the diagonal elements, which indicates that all the diagonal elements are 0. All the diagonal elements means we can go for it A11, A22, A33, A44, till whatever you will go to ANN. All the diagonal elements are 0. All the diagonal elements are 0. That's an awesome answer. God bless you. Very good. So we will be, I just solved also. So if you will be wishing, you can note down here. Nothing to worry about this question. Aij is equal to, that's a skew symmetric matrix. Aij is equal to minus Aji and I is equal to j for diagonal element. Aii is equal to minus Ai. So 2Aii equal to 0. Understood. Shall we go for the next question, please? Is it done? Absolutely. Is it done? Come on. Shall we go on the next question? This question is easy question. You can able to solve this question. A and B are symmetric matrix, so that AB plus BA is a symmetric and AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. That's a pure solvable question. I've already solved, and this question is in NCRT, and this question is a most important question, must solve question. We must not leave questions like this. Whenever such questions are coming, our main strategy is to just solve these questions to as much as possible. So, now look here. So here A and B are symmetric matrix. First we will come to know that what is the meaning of symmetric matrix. The meaning of symmetric matrix is when we talk about symmetric matrix, A and B are symmetric matrix. When somebody will be asking you about symmetric matrix, A and B are symmetric matrix, then that means what? A and B are symmetric matrix means transpose of A is equal to A, transpose of B is equal to B. So let's start this part. This is symmetric. We have to prove this. So what does we need to do is we will write AB plus B, A transpose. Okay. So now we are going to distribute the transpose sections. Let's see what and all we can do here. So what we are going to do is AB transpose plus BA transpose. Now AB transpose, we know one very nice formula. We know that is AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So here we distribute it to become B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. And very well we know that B transpose is equal to B and A transpose is equal to A. So here it will become BA plus AB. Since it is addition is commutative, we need not to do any big work here. So directly we can write AB plus BA. Directly we can write AB plus BA. That's a case of what? That's a case of symmetric matrix. That's the case of symmetric matrix. Nothing big you have to do. I'm just moving so you can write there. For a symmetric matrix, what work we are going to do? A transpose is equal to A. This is a case of symmetric matrix. B transpose is equal to B. It's a case of symmetric matrix. Next, they have told to prove that AB plus BA transpose is a symmetric matrix that we need to do. Okay. Now here AB transpose is AB transpose implemented, distributed. First we distributed it. Once we distributed it, AB transpose will become B transpose A transpose. BA transpose will become AB transpose. Just pose it. This is one of the theorem. Okay. Once we did it, B transpose is equal to B, A transpose is equal to A. Bingo, we got BA plus AB. That's the most important part, and symmetry part is proved. Okay, come on, just give me a thumbs up that you understood. If you have understood, come on, give me a thumbs up that yes, we have understood. So that I'll go for the second part. We have more questions from inverse trigonometry also. I'm just standing by taking a very huge risk. My doctor told you go and sleep for 3 days. I'm sleeping only. One day was very bad for me. How am I going to take rest for 2 more days? Not possible. So now look here, Vika. This part is done. Now they talked about skew symmetric matrix. When they talked about skew symmetric matrix, let's check this one out for skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix, how we are going to write as AB minus BA. Is the screen visible? First to tell me. Is the screen visible? Children, first you give me a feedback that is the screen visible? That color, blue color I am using is visible, beta? Okay, very good. Voice audible? These questions are very important questions, children. Just remember this. Now look at AB transpose, it will become AB transpose minus BA transpose. Then, so since it is a symmetric matrix, just I am explaining again, since it is a symmetric matrix, it will again become B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. And we already know that A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. They didn't inform about skew symmetry, remember this one. They did not inform about skew symmetry, they informed about symmetric matrix. So we need to write like this. So directly we can write BA minus AB. The order cannot be changed. Okay. Now take minus outside. The moment you will take minus outside, it will become AB minus BA. Come on, from where we started? We started transpose of AB minus BA. So what is our conclusion is, we started with AB minus BA transpose and we got minus AB minus AB minus B because we just took it out. So minus AB minus B. So minus AB minus B, and this is the wholesome property of skew symmetric matrix. This is what beta property of skew symmetric matrix. This is one of the most important part of skew symmetric matrix. Happy to know you, Saran. Welcome back, beta. It's pleasure having you here. I never told you, but I was always proud of you, and I'm very thrilled to see you doing so much. Uh, yes, give me a high five, and I'm very proud of you. God bless you. Yes, so much. God bless you, and I really want you to grow very well and just make me proud always. Make me proud. Yes, and I really want all my children to go heights and go such success where I can only sit in floor and just I want the sky and say that these are my children. They are my rock stars. This is really a proud moment for me, sir. Bless you, beta. Bless you abundantly. And I'm very what you call blessed mother because most of my children is in good places, good colleges, and they're doing really well. So I feel very proud that yes, I've done something good in my life. This is achievement. When a teacher when a teacher sees the children grow to heights, and sometimes you people are my encouragement. You are encouraging me. That's what I need. Seriously. Bless you. Okay. Charan, I need to get back to class, beta. I'll catch you up later, huh? Now that's what, so AB minus BA transpose will become minus. That's not possible, sir. You know me. That's not possible. One day I rest it up, and morning I woke up and say, "What I am doing? This is waste of time. My children are needing me." And I just get back and I told that I'm going hospital. I told doctor, I am going to take this risk. I'm going to stand. Whatever will happen will happen. Afterwards, I will see. Yeah, still bandage is there. I'm in a very nice situation. My leg is resting, one leg is resting very nicely on a thing, and I'm just taking class in one leg. My one leg is fixed, one leg I'm only standing. Thank you so much. Bless you. Now go back to the next question, please. Okay, multiplication also is a part of symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. Come on, go for it, please. So I hope you will be able to do this question also. Multiplication section. In multiplication sections, you need to multiply. Okay, you need to put transpose and you need to cancel some part so that you can be able to prove it that it is a skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. Will you be able to do it? Come on, say, give me a high five if you are able to do it. Because I have given only one information that so that the matrix B transpose AB is a symmetric or skew symmetric matrix according to A is symmetric or skew symmetric means it's the total deal is with A. Remember this one. The total deal is with A. If A is a symmetric, the entire slot is symmetric. If A is skew symmetric, the entire slot will become skew symmetric. This is what it is exactly asking for. Okay. So come on, let's go for it. Let's check this one out. Huh? So first one we'll see that A is a symmetric matrix. We'll assume that let A be a symmetric matrix. Let A be a symmetric matrix. So if A is a symmetric matrix, what will happen? Transpose of A will become equal to A. Now we need to put transpose on B transpose A B transpose. The moment we will put transpose here, just be very specific. B transpose A, B double transpose because inside transpose and outside transpose because it will reverse. It will reverse in their order. Already we know that A B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Come on. So here also transpose will go. It will become B A A transpose, and here it will become B because transpose of a transpose will become B only. Now A transpose is already A because it is symmetric matrix. So since it is A transpose, it is already A. It is a symmetric matrix. What we will do here is we will write down here B transpose AB, and I believe this is the question part. Correct now. We started with transpose of B transpose A, B transpose A, B, and then we again get back to the same part. Okay. So once we are going back to the same part, means we learned one thing. It is coming as a symmetric matrix. It is coming as a symmetric matrix. I hope you might have understood this one. Little bit camera is finding it difficult to down. Okay, fine. Now it's adjusted. Is the screen clear? Is the screen clear? Okay, everything all right? So we learned that part. Just check this one out. Yes, just check this one out. We just proved here one thing. I will explain it because it got erased. So here, exactly what we started with B transpose A B transpose. Already it is given that A transpose is equal to A. The maximum condition was this. So I wrote this B transpose A transpose B transpose transpose. I told you the formula, so it is coming as B transpose A B, which is exactly the same what it is started. So here we can assume that our final layout is this transpose is equal to B transpose A B, and this is only the case of symmetric matrix. So this is only the case of symmetric matrix. This is only the case of symmetric matrix. So this answer is absolutely correct. Hi beta. Pratibal. Okay. So now look here B transpose. So now we will take the next one. The next one is exactly what? The next one is skew symmetric. Now let's check this one out. How we are going to prove it for skew symmetric matrix. So let's check this one out. So B transpose AB. Now if A is a skew symmetric matrix, means transpose of this will be equal to minus A. Now we will apply transpose, so it will become B transpose A transpose B transpose transpose. So it will become B transpose A transpose B. And already I told you that it totally depends upon, it is hanged for A. If A is symmetric, answer is coming as symmetric. If A is skew symmetric, answer is coming as skew symmetric. Let's check this one out. So since A transpose is equal to minus A, we will write minus. Now this is coming D, because we just substituted transpose of A as minus A and minus came out. That is actually a sign of skew symmetric matrix. That's actually a sign of skew symmetric matrix. Please kindly check this one out. Because A transpose is equal to minus A. We have given much time to this question. We'll go for the next question, please. Are you ready? Shall we go for the next question, please? Now look here. Fine. We are going for inverse. Let's rock and roll with some inverse trigonometric function questions. Get ready for it, please. Get ready for inverse trigonometric functions question, because inverse trigonometric function questions are very, 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 very important. You must do some questions related to inverse trigonometry also. Big questions afterwards, small questions. Let's start. Do it. Try question. Come on, try. Only have to say option. After that, I'm only solving. Okay, that was very quick. Option is D. Okay, Shiva. Deepika. Sorry, Preeti. Sorry. Um, Divya. Correct? Can I solve? Can I try this? Puri, sorry. Sorry, Puri. Mistake. Name is different now. You do one thing, you write your name so that it becomes easy for me to write down. Say your name. Now look here. Sine inverse. We'll solve this question. Let's see how answer is coming. But that was a very quick answer. That was a very quick answer. Sine inverse minus 1 by 2 equal to theta we will get. Okay. So we are like, okay, fine, very good. Now the answers are coming very fast. Awesome. Awesome. Super, super, super. Keep answering the questions. So here we will shift, it will become sine theta equal to minus 1 by 2. And you know one thing, we can directly write the formula here. What it will become? Sine theta equal to minus sine pi by sine 60 degree or 30 degree. It is sine 30 degree, so it will become pi by 6. Okay, and sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. We need not do anything. First and second quadrant are the ruling quadrant for sine theta. Directly we can write the answer. Sine theta equal to sine of minus pi by 3. Pi by 6 or pi by 3, right? Huh? Pi by 3 or pi by 6? Pi by 6, 30 degree. So pi by 6 will be coming. So here minus. So theta by 2 then sine 3 is giving you the value. Theta equal to minus pi by 6. Theta equal to what? Minus pi by 6. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, go for it. Tell me the answer. Yes, absolutely correct. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. You people are correct for it. We'll go for the next question. Come on. Shall we go for the next question, please? Fine. Okay. That was good and that was good. Let's go for this question. Okay. Solve this question. The class will start by 8:45, I guess. Yes, 8:45 I'm starting the class. 10 minutes break I will take, 5 minutes break I will take, and then I'll start 10 class. Chemical equation, I've already put the slot. Okay, it will be a very fast, extensive revision session. Material will be provided to you. This material will also be provided to class 12 for revision. Okay, 8:45. Please kindly post in your respective group. Okay, inform everyone. Inform everyone. Okay, the answer is -1. Uh, Fine. Let's check this one now. Answer is -1. Is it okay? Answer is coming as -1. Let's check this one out. Answer is -1 or not. We will check. Fine. Let's go for it. So tan inverse, can I solve here? Tan inverse, not touching sine bar. Sine of minus theta is minus sine pi by 2. Directly I have implemented because we know that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus will come out. So this part will become tan inverse -1. So when you are writing tan inverse -1, yes, I think you people are correct only. Let me solve and I'll analyze it. So tan inverse -1 is minus will come out. It will become minus tan inverse of 1. So minus tan inverse of 1 is tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 because we know that tan pi by 4 value is 1. So once we will be doing it, it will become minus pi by 2. I hope you might have understood this one. Direct, absolute, absolute. Very good, super. Super. Answer is exactly pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 is correct answer. No, Shivaranjani, option C is not correct. Option D, minus pi by 4 will be correct. Because tan 90 is infinity. Tan 90 is infinity and we are getting -1. So when you will be putting -1 means it's exactly. Did you understand this part? Yes. So those are absolutely correct. So those who have put -1, that is minus pi by 4, their answer is absolutely correct. Okay, absolutely correct answer as minus pi by 4. Okay. Now shall we go for the next one, Mila? So our next question is this one. Come on, go for this question. See, like these type of questions are MCQ hot favorite questions from inverse trigonometry. We are watching from some years like MCQ questions they are giving. MCQ questions they are giving again and again. They are giving MCQ questions like this type only. Okay, little bit troublesome questions they will give me. Who cares? Because what? We need not to worry about. Okay. So shall we go for the question, please? Come on, start solving. So question is cos inverse 1 by 2, sin inverse minus 1 by root 2. So when sin inverse minus 1 by root 2 will be given, means what you can do here. Come on, check this one out, please. See, cos inverse 1 by 1 I am solving. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to theta. So cos theta equal to pi 1 by 2. Okay. And 1 by 2 means cos theta equal to cos pi by 3. Means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is cos degree. Yes, absolutely correct. I mean, let's check this one out. So this value is coming as theta value is coming as pi by 3. This is first part. Now second part, sine inverse minus. So here again we will write sine inverse minus 1 by root 2. Already I told you sine inverse minus theta is minus sine inverse theta. Here will become minus sine inverse 1 by root 2. So it will become minus sine inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. Okay. Sine inverse 1 by 2 is minus pi by 4. Because pi by 4 sine inverse root 2 value is pi by 4. Let's check. Okay, that's very nice. I think Divya, Bala, and Ritesh both have given answer as. Now we have to add it up. So both applications we have to add. One is coming as pi by 3. Second one is coming as minus pi by 4. Cross multiply 4 pi minus 3 pi by 12. So it is coming as pi by 12. Pi by 12. How many of you got pi by 12? Yeah, the correct answer is pi by 12 only. Absolutely correct. Yes. The correct answer is pi by 12 only. Tomorrow also I am going to keep sessions. Tomorrow 2-3 sessions I am going to keep because I have to give you wholesome revision. Okay? More questions revision we will do. Now we look here. This part is correct. Okay, till here is it okay? Till here did you did nicely? Come on, say fast. Now we will go for the next question. Yeah, this question is very good question. Come on, go for it. Because like these type of questions will trouble you. You have to find the domain of cos inverse 2x minus 3. That's CBSE 2021 question. If you see on the screen, it's CBSE 2021 question. CBSE 2021 question. Please kindly check this question out. It's not a tough question, it's a technical question, I can say. It's not at all a tough question, it's a technical question. Come on. Tough, we cannot say. It's a technical question. Go for it, please. It's not tough, it's technical. Option A. No, I'm not agreeing. Right, so because cos inverse 2x minus 3, the value, see, inverse means I've already always I told one thing. D. Shivaranjani has given option D. Let's check that one, Shiva. But only one thing, I've always told that cos inverse, whenever it will be there, it will be talking about the values. It will be talking about what? It will be talking about the values. So you have to be very precisely checking. And you know that cos theta lies between -1 to 1. So inverse part will definitely lie. The inverse function for domain, we need to do one work. Yes, D option. Let's check this one out. So how the answer will be option D? We will solve and we will check. Okay, without solving, how can we say? Oh, some people are telling option B. Some people are telling option D. Let's check this one out. First thing you must keep in your brain. One thing that cos, whenever it will be, it's like minima, maxima will be defined in closed interval. Closed interval -1 to 1. Right? Correct. Okay. So for finding the domain, we will be writing like this. Please kindly check this one out. For finding the domain, again we know that minima and maxima of cos is what? -1 to 1. So -1 to 2x minus 3 and here 1. Now be very careful, solve it very precisely. Let's check this one out. What we will do, here 2x minus 1 lies between -1 to 1. Now what we will do, -1 will add 1 on both sides. So it will become 2x minus 3. Sorry, rather than adding 1, I'm just going to add here 3. So that minus 3 we can cancel because we have to find the value of x. So what we will do here is 1 plus 3. So 3 minus 1 plus 3 will become 2. And this part we can cancel 2x and it is coming as 4. So now we can divide it by positive 2. The interval is coming as 1, 2, 2. Bingo. And here one thing you must, yeah, when I'm starting the class, just I inform the time slot. I told 8:45 I'm going to start with it. Just 2 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. Now here, that is x will be belonging, the domain will be belonging to closed interval 1 to 2. The domain will be belonging from where to where, beta? The domain will be belonging to closed interval 1 to 2. I hope you might have understood. Come on, say, did you got this point, please? I'm shifting to the next question, please. At least one more question we can solve. Now go for this question because this is again a very good question. The question is secant tan inverse y by 3 is equal to which one? Oh, this is a very good question. Very good question. You must solve this question. It's really a good question. Come on, go for it. Last question, repeating. Okay, no problem. I'll repeat the last question. You just check this one out. Cos inverse 2x minus 3 is there. So when cos inverse 2x minus 3 will be there, the interval will be exactly between -1 to 1. Minima, maxima. Minima and maxima. Okay. So minima and maxima part when you will be solving. So minimum value is -1 for cos. Maximum value is 1. Okay. So minimum is -1, maximum is 1. So when you will be going for it, so it will come like this. So 1 plus 1, it is coming as 2x. I'll be adding here 3. We need to get the value now. So 3 you must add. Because you need to find the value of x. So this will cancel. It will come to 2x and 4. Then divide everything by 2. It will come as 1 to 2. The value of x lies between 1 to 2. So x will be 100% belonging between 1 to 2. Closed interval 1 to 2. Closed interval 1 to 2. Like this. Some more questions I will bring for you. Don't worry. Like this, 2, 3 more, 5, 6, 10, 12, like these questions more we will solve. Just this is just the beginning. So, but for test, we must have this type of questions. Okay.